Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places.
Hello, Cebu. North Bus Terminal. Okay. Ano nagigda? Ha? Ano nagigda? Bantayan. A little more. Let's go. Bibi, hello. Beautiful morning. Shuttle 384 regular. Welcome sa Bantayan!
Welcome to Bantayan.
Okay, so this is our room. Wow! O, diba ang laki? This is my ref. Perfect jud kay na ref. Napadyoy TV. Oh, cabinet. Barato ra. 1.4 akong gibayaran. The water, so plus 50. And then, oh, magluluto, pwede rin, hugasan, oh, diba? And then, the most importantly, the bed! Daw kilo ken. Asa man yung mga timoy? Mga Bantayan locals. Next. 500 pesos lang. Hello! Guys! We're back! So this is our Travel with Fam edition. So this time, as promised, Cebu keeps me coming back. Always keep us coming back. So Cebu, di ay napud ko karon sa northern part, which is in Bantayan Island! So let's explore this area. Ja!
Before we explore, we need to eat.
The ruin. So another free. Bantayan Island.
Welcome to Bantayan Island.
Kas dagat. So hi guys, welcome to MJ's World. So they have this Korean mini mart for their selling Korean noodles. Then of course, ayan, ito yung mga store. And then mostly Filipino cuisine. Then pasalubong center. Halo-halo. Of course, halo-halo. Pasalubong. Saan nagbe? Kitaan.
Hi guys, we're here at MJ Square. We're going to buy some clothes or pasalubong.
Beautiful morning. Asa atong adventure karon lang ka? Pag-ato taog Bantayan. Bantayan Town. day here in Bantayan. See ya! Welcome sa Mangrove Eco Park. Guys, diyan namin karon sa Mangrove Eco Park. So upgrade 75 ang entrance for adults. Just for kids, 20 pesos. Asa naman niya akong mga buddy-buddy? Buddy-buddy! Buddy-buddy! Langga oh. Yeah, hello! Picture, picture, come sawi. Kalain. Ano ba, oy? Takaroon, bibi? Tadi ang kasaguan, Mangrove Eco Park ng Barangay Ubuub, Bantayan, town of Bantayan. That is very humanistic for today's video. Kanang isog ba? Isog. Behind the scene of the pictorial ni Buding. Doon niya Buding. Oh, pak. Oh. Hiya kantian.
Joke naman na ko yakin yang disawad.
Hello, asa man ta karon lang ga? Ha? Eco Park sa Mangrove Eco Park. Isa lang ga. Mungkin imo mailong masigang kita.
Nito sa Crab Island lang ta.
Dakin na ni be. Asa man napita?
Naku.
Aw. Aha ka. Almost done with our Mangrove Eco Park adventure. So ayun. By the way guys, I need to add because this is what I've noticed. Few establishments only accept credit cards and debit cards. So mostly they do accept cash or GCash only. So I suggest bring your money or bring cash with you. Ayun lang. Ja! So off to another adventure.
Hi guys, we're going to at Kulay sa Tungkay.
Hi guys! So we're here now in Santa Fe Ogden Cave. Check namin yung Ogden Cave. So entrance is 225 pesos for adults and kids is for 120 pesos. And what else? So kids are only allowed to swimming pool and at the beach. Hindi sila pwede sa Ogden. Ayan guys, yeah! This is Ogtong Cave.
Sige lang ka, Day. Day.
Bibi, darara daw pa. Picture ka, happy picture. Oh! Hi guys! Di man na among Santa Fe Ogtong Cave Adventure.
Naman namin si Ugtong.
Ogtong Cave.
Kay
Super
mga
enjoy.
Kugtong.
Nice diri ah. Isa sa mga nice na beach resort here in Santa
Balik
Fe.
na may kay Napakoy. Napakoy kuan.
Balik na pod.
Napakoy.
We enjoyed exploring Santa Fe, Bantayan Island. Langga, asa ta? Naami sa Igbaw. Para magunsa man ta. Para magunsa. Mag-eat. Very good. Sa Igbaw, Resto and Grill with the little mom.
Pilgis, siguro ka na eh. Ganda eh. Dito pugsog yun ba? Diyan na. Ako na hindi ko ay. Si Rod ni may gabal niya. Kalit naglabang ito ngayon.
MJ Square. Asa ka, little mom? Aday magic nga duwaan diha. Duwaan? Kuha ka ice cream? Kuha ka ice cream? O dali, order na. Ang saan mo gusto? Duha lang ka scoop ha? Bayad. For sure bayad. Be, tikim. Kan abe, lami. So this is the end of our Bantayan video. I hope you enjoyed it. And by the way guys, just like what I've mentioned, kindly bring cash with you. By the way, this is the port of Santa Fe. So it's just around 5 or 55 minutes going to our place, which is JGP. So ayun, thank you kay Kuya for assisting us all throughout our trip. So nice kaayo ang Bantayan. Very laid back, but it's nice. As of October, I think there are few people only because it's not that high peak yet. Maybe around summer or around November. So ayun, so cheap ang Bantayan sa lahat ng Philippines or tourist Philippine spot na napuntahan ko or Philippine provinces na punta ko. So ayun guys, I suggest to you visit Bantayan as well. So aside sa Boracay, Palawan, Cebu offers a lot as well. So nindutid kayo ang Cebu. So we traveled to from Cebu City going to the north. So this is Bantayan. So white po ang sand. Ayan. You can see the background. But during Burr months or Habagat season, it's malumot yung sea. So ayun guys. Sa ba tayo isulti after? Thank you for watching. Ba't na ba? Thank you for watching. Ja, matane.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned from this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to share, like, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Ja, matane!